Today, we're diving to a vibrant and tangy world that's not just a staple in Korean cuisine, but it's also taking the American food scene by storm. Yes, we're talking about kimchi. So grab your chopsticks and let's continue exploring the wonders of this fermented delight. Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD. So what exactly is kimchi? At its core, kimchi is a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, primarily napa cabbage and radishes, seasoned with a variety of spices including chili pepper, garlic, and ginger. It's not just a side dish, it's a culinary experience packed with flavor and history. Now let's talk about the taste. Imagine a burst of flavors, spicy, sour, and umami all at once. The fermentation process gives kimchi its unique tanginess, while the spices add depth. It's crunchy yet tender, a perfect complement to any meal, or even as a snack on its own. But there's more than just flavor. There's history. Kimchi dates back over 2,000 years and was originally created as a way to preserve vegetables during harsh winters. Traditionally made by women who lovingly handled each ingredient as if they were babies, this practice has been passed down through generations, and each family often have their own secret recipe. Here's something most people don't know. Kimchi can be produced anytime between just a few days to several years. The longer it ferments, the more complex its flavors become. And here's another fun fact. There are over 200 varieties of kimchi, from spicy to sweet to even fruit-based version. There's definitely something for everyone. So how can you incorporate this powerhouse food into your daily life? Start small. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy way to spice up your meals, kimchi is a great option. It's packed with nutrients, probiotics, and flavor. And with so many varieties to choose from, there's sure to be a kimchi out there that you'll love. However, it's important to note that most varieties of kimchi are spicier than the average American palate. Overindulgence can lead to digestive issues like heartburn and hyperacidity. It's best to start with milder varieties and gradually increase your intake. As we wrap up our two-part kimchi adventure, I hope you feel inspired to embrace this tangy, spicy, and historical gem in your own kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned kimchi lover or a curious newbie, there's always more to explore and taste. Kimchi isn't just food, it's a celebration of culture, so why not give it a try? Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.